What does Order Renewal 2026 mean for your lab? And a chance for hands-on experience inspecting molecular pathology labs. These stories and more coming up. This is Path News Network Daily Edition from the College of American Pathologists. I'm Nancy Johnson. It's Friday, October 10th. The CAP kicks off the 2026 order renewal season and announces more than 20 new proficiency testing programs for next year. We'll have team coverage of all the new laboratory quality offerings next week in our daily newscasts and weekly newsletters. Be sure to tune in for interviews with CAP members on the first-of-a-kind programs in areas such as microbiology, transfusion medicine, and instrumentation verification tools. Thinking about becoming a lab inspector? The CAP is hosting a molecular pathology inspector training seminar November 11th in Boston, led by our own Dr. Earl Collum and Dr. Michael Dado. It's a hands-on, in-person session designed for pathologists, PhDs, and lab professionals who inspect molecular labs. The seminar is just before the AMP 2025 annual meeting. You'll get real-world tips on how to prepare and document findings for labs that perform inherited disease and somatic testing via Sanger and next-generation sequencing. Register in advance to earn CME and CE credit. Pathologists looking to sharpen their expertise in breast cancer diagnostics can enroll in CAP online courses and a virtual workshop next month. Running from November 3rd through November 5th, the multidisciplinary breast pathology course offers 6 self-paced modules. The expert-led sessions cover predictive factor testing, molecular analysis, and the latest HER2 and ER-PGR guidelines. Participants can receive up to 22.5 CME credits. And here's a bonus. Use promo code, all caps, BRSTPATH for a $200 discount. And finally, medical students with a passion for pathology have a new opportunity to bring their ideas to life. The CAP Foundation's Sparking Interest in Pathology Award is offering up to $500 to fund projects that introduce students to the field. From launching interest groups to hosting guest speakers and networking events, the goal is to make pathology more engaging. Applications are open now through December 17th. That's all for today. Be sure to check the show notes for more information on today's stories. Watch your email inbox for more news like this in the CAP's advocacy newsletter every Tuesday and our weekly edition newsletter on Thursdays. We're back Monday at 5 a.m. Eastern for another episode of the Daily Edition. Also, get the news delivered to your podcast app each morning by subscribing to this show. I'm Nancy Johnson. Have a great day.